Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to prevent fogging on swimming goggles. And this will be an easy tutorial with very simplistic instructions. So how are you going to prevent fogging on your swimming goggles? It's really easy to do. There are a couple of different ways to do it, but the easiest way and the most available way and pretty much the most efficient way, it's an all-around great way, is going to be to use dish soap. Now, I'll tell you how to do it, because if you just wash them with dish soap, it probably won't work properly. There's a very specific way to do it. What you want to do is, first and foremost, you want to rinse the goggles inside and outside with water. After you've rinsed them with water, okay, you want to get some dish soap while they are still somewhat wet, okay? Not like dripping wet, but just a little bit wet. You want to get some dish soap, and you want to rub that dish soap on the inside and outside of each of the lenses, okay? Then here's the key factor. You're going to want to let the dish soap sit for about 5 minutes, okay? And then you're going to rinse the dish soap off after. And that will prevent fogging on the swimming goggles. Now, washing them first is not a massive deal. Out of all of the things that I said, the most important aspect is letting the dish soap sit on the goggles for 5 minutes or longer. That is the most important thing. Everything else you can work around, but you got to let that dish soap sit. A lot of people will wash their goggles with dish soap and rinse it off right away and wonder why they're still fogging. You need to let the dish soap sit, okay? In addition, it's not going to last forever. You're going to have to reapply it and do it every once in a while. So if you notice that they start fogging again, then you're going to have to do a reapplication of dish soap and just follow the same process again. And that's basically it. It's a great method, and everybody has dish soap because you wash your dishes. So yeah, it's easy to do, and I just wanted to share with you in this video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.